Vi har sådan en efterspørgsel efter produktet, at vi næsten ikke kan følge med. Vi
means we, pronounced
vi,
similar to the English word v. It's the first person plural personal pronoun, referring to the speaker and others.
har,
Means have, pronounced
har,
with a short
a,
sound like in hat. It's the present tense form of the verb
at have,
to have, conjugated for.
we, sådan,
Means such, or like this, pronounced
sådan,
so Dan, with a slightly longer
å,
sound similar to the o in go, and a softer d sound than in English. It emphasizes the kind or nature of the demand.
in,
Means a or one, pronounced
in,
similar to the English word in, but shorter and less drawn out. It's an indefinite article, indicating a singular, unspecified demand.
efterspørgsel,
Means demand, pronounced
efterspørgsel,
ef-ter-spør-sel.
efter,
Means after. Spørg relates to ask, and sel is a suffix often forming nouns. The word describes the high request for the product.
efter,
Means after, pronounced
efter,
ef-ter, with a soft
t,
sound. It's a preposition indicating a following or subsequent action or event. Here, it's part of the compound noun efterspørgsel.
produktet,
Means the product, pronounced
produktet,
produktet. It's the definite form, the, of the noun
produkt,
product. It refers to the specific item in high demand.
at,
Means that, pronounced
at,
rt, with a short, open
a,
sound and a slightly softer
t,
It's a conjunction introducing a subordinate clause that explains the consequence of the high demand.
vi,
Means we, pronounced
vi,
as explained above. It's the first person plural personal pronoun, referring to the speaker and others.
næsten,
Means almost or nearly, pronounced
næsten,
næsten, with a softer
t,
sound. It modifies the following verb, indicating that the inability to keep up is almost complete.
ikke,
Means not, pronounced
ikke,
ik key, with a short
i,
sound. It's a negation, making the sentence negative.
kan,
Means can, or, is able to, pronounced can, with a similar vowel sound to
kan,
in English. It's a modal verb indicating ability.
følge,
Means to follow, pronounced
følge,
følge, with a more rounded vowel sound in
følge,
than in the English.
follow,
It's the infinitive form of the verb, modified by the following words.
med,
Means with or along, pronounced
med,
med, with a short
e,
sound. It indicates the ability to keep up with the demand. Putting it together.
Vi har sådan en efterspørgsel efter produktet, at vi næsten ikke kan følge med.
Means, we have such a demand for the product that we can almost not keep up. Or, the demand for the product is so high that we can barely keep up. It describes a situation of overwhelming demand.